Why I wouldn't want to work with Ranveer? ये रणवीर सिंह का फैन होगा इसलिए क्वेश्चन पूछा है. I would want to work with every possible good actor. I remember there was this one day when we were shooting in Mehboob Studio for a promotional thing and I had Mr. Bachchan on one side and SRK on the other side in a picture. जब मैं मुल्क में ना वहाँ बीच में खड़े होके वो 5 रोलिंग कैमरास और आपके एक साइड पे रजत कपूर, एक साइड पे आशुतोष राणा, मनोज पावा, नीना गुप्ता, ऋषि कपूर सब खड़े हैं. Hi, this is Taapsee Pannu and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Twitter fan questions for Taapsee Pannu. This is Harsh from Mumbai. Please ask her, would she like to work with Ranveer Singh in future?
Why I wouldn't want to work with Ranveer? ये रणवीर सिंह का फैन होगा इसलिए क्वेश्चन पूछा है. I would want to work with every possible good actor because unlike what a lot of other people might feel, the intimidating thing that when you work with opposite a good actor, it's not intimidating like कि अच्छा नहीं मैं इसका काम नहीं करूँगी, ये शायद मेरे को ओवरपावर कर जाए, वो वाला फियर नहीं होता है मेरे को इनफैक्ट लगता है कि यार इसके साथ ज़रूर काम करना चाहिए. तो अगर मेरी शॉर्टकमिंग कोई होगी कवर अप करके पिक्चर हिट बना देगा तो मेरे को फायदा मिल जाएगा. सो इसलिए आई रियली एंजॉय वर्किंग विद एक्टर्स हु आर बेटर देन मी एंड ही वाज outstanding in Gully Boy, and I did convey that to him as well.
This is Kus Mukherjee from Kolkata. How was your experience while working with producer Shah Rukh Khan? Didn't you ever feel nervous while working together with Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan? And apparently Mr. Khan is having a cameo as well in the film.
Oh, that's for you to find out on 8th of March.
Right.
But I'll say that I didn't really, I mean, his interactions were like very positive. Obviously because producer है तो फिर शायद तभी positive चीज़ें ही बोलेंगे, मुझे लगता है ऐसा मानना चाहिए. But it's nice to hear from the Shah Rukh Khan because I'm a 90s kid, right? So I have grown up seeing him as the poster boy of romance and love. And maybe the first film that comes to my mind when I think about a film that I can watch countless times is Chak De.
Absolutely.
So I think from that perspective, when that man comes up to you and tells you it's a beautiful film, you've done a brilliant job, I want to believe it. And I want to stay in that bubble of believing it कि ये मतलब उन्होंने बोला तो मतलब मैंने तो छक्का मार दिया है. So yeah, that I got a feeling. And I remember there was this one day when we were shooting in Mehboob Studio for a promotional thing and I had Mr. Bachchan on one side and SRK on the other side in a picture. And that picture was clicked and traveled in media and one of my friends sent me that picture the next day and like, this is a true picture of success.
Wow.
So for me, I didn't realize it then because for me, it's my co-actor and my producer and it's obvious that we'll stand together and click picture. But for other people in my life who are not really, from here and who don't see all this very closely, for them it's like Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan standing on either side and you standing there with them.
Life set.
It's a great position to be in. So that's why I'm not really having any nervousness. I've never felt nervous in front of, intimidated in front of Bachchan sir, which I've always said during Pink also. पहला दिन लगा था थोड़ा सा क्योंकि लोगों ने इतना दिमाग में भर दिया था अमिताभ बच्चन. But the moment I met him, first day लगा थोड़ा, second day मैंने अपने आप ही वो switch off कर लिया दिमाग में जिसमें वो बताता है अमिताभ बच्चन. तो I started treating him like a regular co-star.
Right.
And तब से लेके अब तक वो ऐसा ही है कि I can sit and chill and talk with him like I'll talk with Abhishek Bachchan or anyone else for that.
So you like conversing with yourself and you like talking about yourself in the third person. कि मैंने अपने mind को switch off कर दिया and all that. You like that?
I have to convey my emotion. How else do I do it?
Right.
Yeah, people. This is one question that I've been asked since past not this year, 3 years since Pink. Okay, how do you deal with it? I will have to tell them how do I deal with it. This is how I just switch off my brain that this is.
And Leos generally they don't get intimidated by almost anyone. Other people.
Yeah.
Other people get intimidated by them.
No, that's because I don't know why. But yeah, maybe this is a Leo quality. I don't get intimidated that easily. Also because I think the only time I'll tell you when I got really intimidated, stress था बहुत मुझे जब मैं मुल्क में ना वहाँ बीच में खड़े होके वो 5 रोलिंग कैमरास और आपके एक साइड पे रजत कपूर, एक साइड पे आशुतोष राणा, मनोज पावा, नीना गुप्ता, ऋषि कपूर सब खड़े हैं, सब बैठे हैं और आप सेंटर में खड़े होके डायलॉग डिलीवर कर रहे हो. तो जो मेरी जो साइकोलॉजिकली जो आई वॉज सो बस्टेड, मतलब मेरा तो हालत खराब हो रही थी वहाँ सोच सोच के। वो तो डायलॉग जबरदस्त से तो सब निकल गया, बट वो मुझे दिन याद
आई थिंक
आता
वो
है।
एनर्जी आप जो लेके आए थे वो भी कम्युनिकेट होती है।
वो तो ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज दिल से निकली थी बात।
It was electrifying what you
हाँ,
said.
because it came from my heart. It was written by him, but it did come from my heart. So, but that was an intimidating position to be in. Hi, this is Tapsi Pannu, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon.